Dear student, here see the chapter number 1, similarity. We are going to learn problem set. First, question number 2. First, second question. In a triangle ABC, D between SBC and BD is equal to 7, BC is equal to 20. Then find the following ratios. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC. And first, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. Second, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Third, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC. Solution. Draw AE perpendicular to BC is E between S BC. Draw the perpendicular line the same height, triangle ABD and triangle ABC. ABC, ABD and ADC is the same height, is a AE is same height. Next, BC is equal to BD plus DC is a D between S BC. Therefore, BC is 20 is equal to BD is 7 plus DC is equal to 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. First equation, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to ABD is equal to BC. BD is a base and height is AE upon triangle ADC is a base is DC base and height is A is equal to AE cancel BD upon DC is a H1 is equal to H2 is a height is a same. Area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to BD is 7 and DC is 13 is the first answer. Second, triangle ABD and triangle ABC area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. ABD is a BD is a base and height is the AE upon BC is the base multiplied by E is the height. Reason, H1 is equal to H2, height is same is equal to BD upon BC area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC is equal to BD is 7 and BC is 20 is the second answer. Third one, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC is the DC is the base and height is AE upon BC is the base and height is AE. H1 is equal to H2, height is the same. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DC upon BC is equal to 13 upon DC is a 13 and BC is a 20 is the third one answer. Next question. Ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is 2:3. If base of the smaller triangle is 6, then what is the corresponding base of the bigger triangle? Let area 1 and area 2 be the areas of triangles, and B1 and B2 are base. Area 1 raised to area 2 is equal to base 1 raised to base 2. A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 raised to 3. Area of triangle upon area 1 and area 2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to 2 upon 3 is equal to, is a smaller triangle is base is a 6 upon B2. Reason, triangles having equal height. Triangles having equal height. Two upon 3 is equal to 6 upon B2. B2 is equal to 3 into 6 upon 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2 threes are, B2 is equal to 9. B2 is equal to 9 centimeter. B2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, the corresponding base of the bigger triangle is 9 centimeter. Next one is a fourth question. In the figure 1.73, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB. Angle ABC is a 90 degree and DCB is a 90 degree. AB is 6 and DC is a 8. Then the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB. Solution. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to, BC is base BC multiplied by height is AB upon base, common base BC into DC is B1 is equal to B2, or base is same. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to, is the base is common, AB upon DC is equal to 6 upon 8. Simplify. 2 threes are, 2 fours are. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to 3 upon 4 is the answer. Next question. Fifth question. In the figure 1.1, 74. PM is equal to 10 centimeter. Area of triangle PQS is 100 square centimeter. Area of triangle QRS is 110 square centimeter. Then find the NR. Solution. Triangle PQS and triangle QRS have same base, QS. Area of triangle AB, area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS is equal to base is a QS multiplied by height is PM upon base is a QS, height is the NR, is a B1 is equal to B2 is the base same. Base is the same is equal to area of triangle PQS is a 100 square centimeter, 100 upon QRS is a 110 is equal to base cancel, PM is a 10, PM is a 10 upon NR is equal to 110 multiplied by 10 upon 100, 0 cut is equal to NR is equal to 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Next question. 7th. In the figure 1.75, D between S AC and E between S BC. D between S AC and E between S BC. Segment D parallel to segment AB. If AD is a 5, DC is a 3, BC is 6.4 minus 6.4 and BE is X. Is a 2 marks question. Solution. In triangle ABC segment D parallel segment AB is a given. Therefore, D upon AB, D upon AD, D upon AD DC upon AB is equal to DC upon AB and EC upon B is a BPT theorem. BPT is a ratio 3 upon 5 is equal to EC is 6.4 minus X upon B is the EX. Consider is a cross multiplication. 3x is equal to 5 multiplied by 6.4 minus EX. 3x is equal to is a 5 332 point minus 5 Ex is a 3x plus 5 x is equal to 32 is a 3 plus 5 8x is equal to 32 x is equal to 32 upon 8 8 4s are 32 x is equal to 4 unit. Next question. 8th. In the figure 1.76 segment PA and segment QB and segment RS and segment SD are the perpendicular to the line AD is the AB, PA perpendicular to AD, QB perpendicular to AD, RC perpendicular to AD and SD perpendicular to AD. To line AD, AB is equal to 60, AB is equal to 60, BC is equal to 70, CD is equal to 80, PS is equal to 280. Then find PQ, QR and SR. Solution. When all four PA, QB, RC and SD are perpendicular to the same line AD, is a given. Therefore PA parallel to QB, parallel to RC, parallel to SD. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BC, AB upon to PQ, BC upon to QR and CD upon RS. RS is the equation first. Now by applying theorem of equal ratio, is a first 60 plus 70 plus 80 is a AB plus BC plus CD and PQ plus QR plus RS is equal to 210 upon is a PS. Each ratio is equal to 210 upon PS is a 280 is equal to ratio 3 upon 4. AD upon PS, AD upon PS is equal to 3 raised to 4 is the simplified. 210 upon 280 is equal to 3 upon 4. First AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. AB is a 60 upon PQ. Find out PQ is equal to AD upon PS is 3 upon 4. PQ is equal to 60 multiplied by 4 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are is a 20 into 4 is a 80. PQ is equal to 80 units. PQ is the 80 units. Second, BC upon QR, BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS is equal to 70 upon QR is equal to 3 upon 4. Cross multiplication, QR is equal to 70 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 is equal to 280 upon 3 is equal to same, QR is equal to 280 upon 3 units is the decimal point. The answer is 280 upon 3 is the unit. Third one, CD upon SR, CD upon SR is equal to AD upon PS is equal to CD is 80 upon SR is equal to 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Cross multiplication, 80 multiplied by 4 upon 3 is equal to 320 upon 4, 3. SR is equal to upon 3 is the units. Therefore, SR is equal to 3 upon 23 units is the third answer. Therefore, PQ is equal to 80 units, QR is equal to 280 upon 3 units, and SR is equal to 320 upon 3 units is the answer. Thank you.